I'm Jim and I am the Communications Officer for Age UK Bolton. Over the past couple of months we've been working on the annual report 2021, of course covering the year 2020-2021, and as everyone will be aware, it was the year of COVID, so all the stuff that we've been up to improve the lives of all the people in Bolton is in this report. And we spent the last couple of months in meetings and editorial meetings trying to make sure that everything that was going in it was absolutely spot on. Then there's the design phase, and we've been back over it and edited and changed and finally got it as perfect as possible. We sent it all off to the good people at Craftprint, and they have today dropped this off with us. And yeah, let's get this open and let's see if it was all worth the work. I'm sure it will be. Now you see they've got a bit of a design, a bit of a preview there of the design on the top. Yeah, lovely picture of Bolton, but I'll show you the full one in a minute. All right, here we go. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages. Oh, nice bit of packing paper there, keep it all nice and protected. Very good. Just get rid of that. And there we are, the annual report. Oh yeah. So I'll bring that I'll get a bit closer here for you. There you go. The annual report 2021. And it's got loads of different bits and pieces in. Forward there, some lovely pictures, some statistics. That's our response to COVID's in there. We've got stuff on our home from hospital service, home services, loads of stats there as well. Stats all the way through. Information and advice, tell you about the changes there over the past, over that year. How we had to embrace digital to get ourselves through the lockdowns and such what. If you look very, very closely there is a picture of me, hey? Looking scruffy, but nonetheless I've got a shirt on, so you can't go wrong with that. Volunteering and befriending. What went on with our strength and balance, and of course, we couldn't provide all the classes properly, so we did lots of Zoom things and Facebook and bits and pieces like that. All the money, the comings and the goings there, and of course the important thank yous as well. And on the back there you can see how you can support us here at Age UK Bolton. There will be an online version of this as well as these physical copies. If you want a physical copy, come and see us at the Square next week. We'll hopefully have a few to be given out if you want to have a bit of a gander at them. And or of course you can come and see us at any of our events and bits and pieces where we're putting things on. So yeah, get us one of them. If you want to look at it on the website, I believe it is now on the website. So if you just go to ageukbolton.org.uk, you can have a look at the digital version there. And that's it.